In this video, we'll review the available options for downloading a CMJ snapshot. To illustrate the options, we have three snapshots. One is a system snapshot, the second is a project snapshot, and the third is a project snapshot with issues. First, let's look at the Download for CMJ DC option. After selecting this option, the snapshot immediately downloads, regardless of the snapshot type. Now, let's review the Download for CMJ Cloud option. First, it's important to know that this option is not available for system snapshots. For project snapshots, the snapshot immediately downloads and a dialog displays, alerting you that the snapshot can be deployed on Jira Cloud. If you don't want to see this dialog for future downloads, click Don't Show This Again. Now, let's take a look at a Project with Issues snapshot. When we select the option for Download for CMJ Cloud, a message displays alerting us that issue data is not supported in Cloud, and that we should select a snapshot that only contains configuration data. Click OK to continue, and note that the snapshot is not downloaded. In summary, there are two options available for downloading snapshots: Download for CMJ DC and Download for CMJ Cloud. When downloading system snapshots, the only available option is Download for CMJ DC, and Project with Issue snapshots are not supported when downloading for CMJ Cloud.